Finding the right skirt was tricky, but I landed on this bright lime green maxi skirt. It's flowy, it's long, and makes a statement for sure. I was at the beginning a bit scared about this combination, but when I put these items together, I realized that it's actually what I was looking for. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are here for the first time. In this video, we are diving deep into the art of color combination. We are going to create a harmonious wardrobe capsule featuring two complementary colors, red and green. And what I am going to do is to take you through every step of this process, from selecting the perfect pieces to creating versatile outfits that work both for day and night. The star of the day is a lovely lady with an autumn typology who lives in a warm country. Her favorite color is green and she loves wearing dresses because they are so easy to style, right? Let's see if I convince her otherwise. She prefers casual outfits that she can wear, as I said, both during the day and evenings out. So no glitter, no gold, no silver details, and absolutely no feathers in this video. What a fun challenge! If we talk about complementary colors and if you are not aware of them, then check out this previous video I have on color theory. For our autumn typology wardrobe, we need to tone down the reds and the greens that we are going to use for this wardrobe capsule. Adding white, black or gray does this trick. I will choose several hues of red, including a darker terracotta and a medium coffee brown red, plus some small details in red-orange. For green, I selected to go with dark moss, olive green and a lighter lime green. To tie it all together, I added warm beige and cream. Let's get started! Searching among my curated sustainable brands, I found this perfect top for our capsule. It's always like this. You start with one item. Now I will make sure to add the link to this sustainable brands guide I published 2 years ago, but I recently updated because unfortunately not all sustainable brands survive the market. Next, I look for more casual tops with unique details, like these green spaghetti straps in 2 shades of green or this abstract warm beige shirt. For bottoms, I kept it simple. These moss green pleated pants are flattering for almost any body shape if you know how to style it. Finding the right skirt was tricky, but I landed on this bright lime green maxi skirt. It's flowy, it's long and makes a statement for sure. Pairing it with a gingham top and the right accessory, it's a match made in heaven. I was at the beginning a bit scared about this combination, but when I put these items together, I realized that it's actually what I was looking for. After 3 days of searching and matching, yes, this is what it takes to build a wardrobe capsule. It's not a 2 hours work. So after these 3 days, I finally created this wardrobe capsule that I want to share not only with my lady client, but also with you. As you can see, we have casual outfits in neutral colors, but with a personality. The abstract patterns, the studs on the slides, the wrapped detail of the dress, and also the bows. So what we did, we actually added some elements from other styles to this casual style in order to create a unique wardrobe capsule. But we have also more colorful outfits for the day, still toned down in the shades that an autumn typology would look at her best. And for evening, I added platform heel sandals in moss green for a chic touch. The gingham top is perfect for evening wear too, with any of the bottoms. These sandals that I added for evening outfits are extremely versatile. Remember, we wanted to wear everything both during the day and during the night. So they can be worn easily during the day for a more formal office outfit. And then we have the star of the capsule, the lime green skirt. For casual but bold looks, we pair it with slides, but for more edgy looks, the low heels platform sandals would be a great match. While a white or cream shirt might be expected with the lime green skirt, I went bold with a more toned down lime green shirt. And I think it harmonizes beautifully with the reds and greens in our capsule. What do you think? And is a perfect match for the green dresses. Matching different shades of the same color almost always creates harmony in the outfit. And what do you think about the combination with the warm beige dress? I'm so excited to see this wardrobe capsule coming to life. The pieces blend harmoniously and offer so much versatility. And this is what we actually wanted. And this is why I responded so positively to the request of my lady client of making sure that all these pieces are versatile, that she can wear them both during the day and during the evening. Remember, sustainable fashion is all about making thoughtful choices. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope this wardrobe capsule inspired you as much as it inspired myself, but also my lady client. And hopefully you will subscribe to my channel because more of this wardrobe capsule will follow. And hit the like button if you liked it. Until next time, keep it colorful.